Imagine if you have a friend that you could call up today and say, do you want to become my style buddy? She'd probably say, oh, well, what does that mean? And you would say, well, it simply means when you're wearing something that you think is nice, or when I'm wearing something that I think is nice, we take a picture of ourselves and we send each other little style pics with why we've teamed certain things together. And you know what, I think those texts will prove really inspirational. It's actually challenged me to think differently about my own wardrobe. So, you know, truth be told, a lot of times I was going to work wearing jeans, t-shirt and trainers. You know, that's kind of my comfy go-to outfit. My confidence has grown in wearing items that perhaps I've been saving for best or saving for a night out, but truth be told, those nights out aren't happening as much as they used to, and a lot of my life is going to work, and actually it's our everyday outfits that will make us have the biggest impact on our confidence. Because if you challenge yourself every day to just dress in a slightly different way, or perhaps wear that item that you were saving for best, I can promise you that over time it will make you feel not only more confident in your style, but you'll be providing loads of inspiration for your friend. Another idea, and I can't claim ownership of this idea, but this idea was genius, and it was my friend Katie and Holly at Beauty in the Boutique. They came into work challenging each other not to wear black for a whole week, because black for many of us, me included, is kind of like a safe colour. But for 1 week they said to each other, apart from like black underwear, they had to wear colour and they couldn't wear any black for a week, just so that they would be pushed out of their comfort zone to wear more colour. And they said it was a really fun week, and it was really nice watching them come into work and seeing what each other was wearing. And again, it's kind of like getting that little style buddy sparring partner. So I'm hoping that some of these ideas might appeal to you, because I really think you'll love the results it gives you to your confidence and the inspiration you'll get from it. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you soon. Bye.